Oh, tired. Keep burping strawberry bars.
10,000 calories, 24 hours. That's the challenge.
It's 4:11.
I think I might have to rethink the strawberry bars. Oh, I sweat.
The rules are simple. Eat 10,000 calories, liquids don't count. Burn 10,000 calories in the same 24-hour period, midnight to midnight. Simple enough, right?
Stomach hurts, your body hurts.
What would you do differently?
Not do it.
Just finished my first workout. I'm having second thoughts. I thought that it was gonna be like this epic cheat day where I just got to eat junk food, exercise some. I mean, I love exercise, so I thought it was gonna be fun. Just eat, exercise, eat, whatever. But now I'm beginning to realize it's gonna be a lot more exercising than I anticipated. First workout, 1 hour, 7 minutes, 633 active calories, 768 total calories. I started at 4 a.m. That means I have 20 hours to complete this thing, 10,000 calories. That's 500 calories an hour to eat and burn simultaneously to complete this thing just in the nick of time and say, challenge completed.
15 minutes later.
Did you hear the Chief Peak? And today we're going to be doing a 20-minute full body beginner hit workout.
Many hours later.
3 workouts and 1 shirt is the maximum you should ever go. I was having flashbacks when I was on the air bike of when I was in high school, and we would just wear our practice jersey all week. It would be wet. Oh, the smell was wretched. Come in there, just be stale and stagnant. That's literally what my shirt I was wearing this morning, the Strength Depot, the gray one. Whew, I'm tired of the strawberry bars and protein bars. So we're gonna kick it up a notch with some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm gonna do 3 cups. So I just burned 760 calories, 82 minutes. We're gonna call that a cup. That a cup. I've never measured cereal. This is odd. This is the weirdest feeling. And that looks like a cup. Now we're gonna kick back and enjoy before starting my 1,000th workout.
Holy shit, ran for a little over an hour. Burned 801 calories. There's no way I was gonna do 1,000 right now. I feel like it's best not to really exert myself, save some energy, go to bed now, get up early tomorrow, and get after it. Probably have some trouble nightmares. It's mythical.
I've seen a lot of these challenges, and one thing I notice a lot of people do is they stay up until midnight. What I did is I went to bed early. I woke up at 4 a.m. That way it gives me 20 hours to complete this challenge. By 4:10, I was already on the air bike. Will and Brownie and a couple other guys, what they did, they stayed up until midnight, got their calories in, they ate a bunch of calories, they did a bunch of exercise, and then they tried to sleep. But I didn't feel like that was gonna be the right idea for me. I would just be exhausted all day on top of all the exercise we're already doing. That just means you're gonna be even more tired, more fatigued, you're not gonna be feeling great. I just didn't wanna do that. So I tried to get a good 7 hours worth of sleep and then start my challenge and just go hard all day for 20 hours straight.
3 foods, cereal, something we never eat, Reese's, and Oreos. This is a childhood dream breakfast. We've actually been here for over 15 minutes now. We need to be fast.
This is definitely better than
all the time
mine.
that we're eating, we can't work out. And I actually think that the working out part is the hardest part. It's not the eating. And it seems like we are enjoying this dream breakfast right now. And all
5 minutes later. "20 minutes later. 1 hour later. 2 hours later.
10:18. This is my 6th hour. So by the end of this hour, I need to be 3,500 calories burned. Currently at 3,217 calories for the day. My FitPal currently sitting at 3,080 calories, macros, 505 carbs, 78 grams of fat, 86 grams of protein. So here in a little bit after my workout, my plan is to cook chicken. I'm gonna try to eat like 3 to 4 pounds of chicken today because the processed foods are starting to wear a little heavy. I don't know if I can do processed foods all day, so I'm gonna start trying to get some real foods mixed in there.
Eventually.
Just finished my chicken. That's gonna be tough to put down like 40 ounces, but 6 ounces down. I was a little behind on calories, but after that 60-minute workout, I'm good. And then the biggest thing is going to be the bathroom breaks. Eating loads of food equals something else coming out the back end that I don't even want to discuss.
Do not go in there. Woo!
It hurts. That's all I gotta say. I'm already like on 3 or 4 bathroom breaks.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Thank you.
How you doing?
What?
How's it going in there?
Are you filming?
No.
1 pair of pants later. Three hours later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
I bought you something.
Oh, man.
Time to eat.
Oh, I've already been trying.
Shouldn't you be exercising though?
Just taking a little power nap. You guys gotta get some rest in when you're exercising all day. What do we have here? Oh, Lucy, you want some? Yeah, you gonna help me out? One for you. Don't even try.
You need to get off my couch with your stinky clothes.
Oh, yeah. Come back. A single chocolate iced glaze, whatever they're called, donut is 240 calories. So I exercise 36 minutes, burn 284 active calories. How long does it take you to eat a donut? It's going to take you roughly 30 minutes to burn it off doing some good solid exercise. Let's see. Ready? I'm almost half done. Where's the timer at? No problem. $240 calories. These are 45 each. $285 calories. Approximately what I burned. Took me 36 minutes. I just ate. I might joke on in like a minute or less, 2 minutes or less. That just shows you that you cannot out-train a bad diet. Pick clean foods, healthy foods, unless of course you're doing 10,000 calorie challenge, have whatever. But on most days, don't try to compensate for bad eating by exercising more. Eat healthy, exercise a normal amount, do the things you enjoy, but eat in moderation.
Later.
Thing that could happen, probably the actual worst thing that could happen, is my watch die. Ran out of juice. Just keep hitting little roadblocks to keep me from not getting ahead. But I have 6.5 hours left. It's like 5:30 right now. 67:13 mark right there.
Thousands of tears later.
Big help.
Class. Arms. Guys, come back. Guys, help me. Help him.
Much later.
I'm never stepping on this bike again. Ever. 10,000 total calories. 11, 14, 15 p.m.
Wait, where is it?
It's at the red, under the red.
Oh, I see.
Oh, people sit on bikes all day. It's like...
Much later.
I've been waiting all day for this. Finally, final bite. There she is. Challenge complete. 11:36. 10,000 calories eaten. 10,000 calories burned.
How do you feel?
Terrible. Physically, stomachically, mentally. Terrible idea, don't do it.
If your plan is to complete the 10,000 calorie challenge, this is about everything you're gonna have to eat. I ate on that day 5 Fit Crunch bars, 6 soft and chewy granola bars, 3 Nature Valley bars, and there's 2 in each one, so that's 6 bars, an entire thing of cream cheese, 4 or 5 donuts, 4 bagels, 6 tablespoons of peanut butter, honey spread, the good stuff, 4 cups of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, 5 ounces of rice, 26 ounces of chicken thighs, 10 Oreos, 20 strawberry bars, and to top it all off, your favorite pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. It's been a few days since I finished the challenge, and there's one overarching lesson I keep finding when I'm editing the video and just thinking back on that day. So eating 10,000 calories, burning 10,000 calories in 24 hours. What is the cost to break net zero on the calories you eat by training those calories to burn them back off? For me, I burned roughly 10,163 calories that day. I also ate a little over 10,000 calories. So what did it cost me to break or be at net zero by the end of the day? It cost me 943 minutes of exercise. 15 hours, 43 minutes of exercise to burn off 10,000 calories. 49,756 steps, 24.24 miles traveled, 14 workouts. Yes, 14 workouts. That's the amount of workouts most people get in 2 to 3 weeks. I had to do in 1 day. Is that what you want to have to do to be able to eat the calories you want or eat the foods you think are worth it? Or is it easier to have a little willpower and enjoy those foods in moderation, so you just have to do your normal amount of exercise and not have to kill yourself? Because days after that challenge, I was sore, I was fatigued, my stomach was killing me, I was like in the twilight zone. I couldn't focus or anything. It's just not worth it. Eating, overeating, and compensating by training is not worth it. And that is the major lesson learned here. You can't out-train a bad diet. And I keep saying it over and over again because it is so true. But if you're gonna eat 10,000 calories, why not film it all and turn it into a challenge?